What's going on, my people? It's your boy PJ back once again with another awesome video. This ain't your usual kind of video, man. This one is purely a rant, okay? It is something that I really need to get off my shoulders. It is something that's been bugging me for ages, okay? I hope you can appreciate the predicaments that I go through on a daily basis, okay? This ain't your usual kind of video, okay? I'm not even going to edit it. I'm just going to put it out there straight. Okay, sit back, relax, but until I get in there, please share, like and subscribe, get involved, show some love and support. Get involved with this one. Let me hear your thoughts and opinion. Okay, let me know what you think, how you feel about it. But before we do, boom. Right, so basically what it is, it's like this, okay? You work hard, okay? Make an honest living, get on with your life and that, okay? So why do you think, yeah, some people out there think it's okay to take your things, okay? Why? Why don't you just go out there, work like everyone else? Why do you feel the need to steal, okay? Right, going off the topic, what's happened basically, I've bought some project cars, okay, to do up, okay? But because it's been sitting there parked, and we've been so busy, we haven't had a chance to get back on it. It's just been sitting there waiting. Coming a couple of days ago, what do you think's happened? Some absolute filth, an animal, a vermin to the society has gone and only smashed the vehicle up, smashed the window, okay, slashed the soft top, smashed the windscreen. Why? What was the need for it? I'm just absolutely disgusted, okay? Can't find the words, yeah, to express my anger, okay? These vehicles was a project me and Taz, okay, thought about. And since his passing, it's just been sitting there. I've just been trying to work out the best way to do them up. Something that will actually make people remember him as well. So it's just something that's been in my head, something that I've been meaning to do, but just haven't got around to it. And to see it being smashed there, it's just something that's really heartbreaking. Isn't even the word. It's just so annoyed, right? It's just, I honestly can't express my anger. But anyway, I'm gonna show you the vehicle that I'm talking about. Okay, let me know what you guys think. You know, share your opinion. You know, I'm sure you guys probably had similar kind of situation. I don't even want to call it a situation, okay? Aggro, okay? Unnecessary, okay? Unnecessary evil, society of filth, okay? I'm going to turn the camera around, let you see this vehicle. Let us know what you think we should do. In memory of late Taz, okay? There's two vehicles actually, and they both have been smashed up, okay? I'll get onto the other one in a minute. But this one is a BMW E36 soft top. A vehicle Taz loved a lot. Let us know what you think we should do. Should we restore it back to its original beauty or do something crazy? I don't know. I mean, I've been sitting there pondering for a while and I ain't got a clue what I want to do. A lot of you probably think, yeah, restore it back to its original beauty. But Taz is renowned for going crazy all out with his modifications. So that's something that I've been wondering whether it's worthwhile doing or not. Let us know, okay? There you have it, an absolutely amazing 1995 BMW E36 Convertible. I just totally love these cars, okay? As you know, I've already got a few of them, but I've always wanted a convertible, so I've got one. And it's heartbreaking when you get people smashing the windscreen. Not sure if it's coming through there. Okay, look at that. What is the point? What is the point? What did you get out of smashing that? Glass everywhere. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I hope you're proud. You're watching this. What were you going to take from it? I don't quite understand. I mean, look, what was the point? Seriously? Anyway, as I said, absolutely beautiful cars. Shall we restore it back to its original, or do something else? We did start on it, started filling these arches up. This arch was quite rusted, but soon after Taz died, just been sitting there. Like somebody's gone and actually drove into this wing as well. Oh, man. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking and let the car do the wowing, as they say. So there you have it, BMW E36, Project BMW E36. Okay, restoration begins right here, right now. Okay, let us know what you think of the situation, if you've been through it as well, and how you feel. Express your feeling, let us know, so we're not in this alone. Together we can win. Anyway, let us know what you think we should do with this car. Okay, which direction should we take it? Restore it to the original, or do something different, go all out, wide body maybe, or should we just add this subtle hint of alloy wheels, lowering, simple things? Okay, obviously it's going to need to be sprayed, the body needs to be cleaned, we'll have to obviously get a new wing, new glass, and then I don't know whether to change the colour or keep it the same. Let us know. Let us know. Let's do this together. Our project. Together we could make this something very special. Look forward to hearing from you. Remember to share, like and subscribe. Get involved on this one. Please get involved. Top Gear Hayes, you know, UK's #1. Yes, baby.